Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Freightliner M2 red in color, folks. Beautiful unit. 163,000 miles on this tandem. 163,000 miles. Beautiful unit. 24 by 102 steel bed. Dual 50-gallon aluminum tanks. Brand new buyer's toolbox. As we come to the rear, this is air ride suspension, 80% rubber on the rear, refurb steel rim. Front has brand new brakes and drums on it with 80% or better tire. Universal mounting kit. Will carry a Moffett and Princeton and many other brands. As we come to the driver's side, brand new straps, 80% to new tires, beautiful condition, refurb steel rims. As you can see, the underside of this unit has been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. As I said, dual 50-gallon aluminum tanks. As we climb inside, folks, beautiful unit. Air rides, seats, 163,000 miles. Automatic transmission, power windows, power locks, diff lock, engine brake, dump valve. Beautiful unit. AM/FM radio. As we climb out of the truck here, folks, I want to thank you for your time. This is Equipment Remarketing. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. We have many trucks, trailers, and piggyback forklifts available for sale. Take a look, give us a call. Number is 260-238-4998. And also give us a call anytime. We appreciate your time. Thank you.